going too fast. So hard, you know we won't last. Don't you know? Why can't you see? So we down, bring the sun, take it down, just like you're going, go away right now. Thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey, you, always on the run, gotta slow it down, baby, gotta have some fun.
Okay! Isa na namang mainit na traffic diva ngayong tanghali.
Kamusta?
Eto ang lamig! Ang lamig!
Kanangtan, simulan na natin ang kantahan sa Traffic Diva.
Hatid sa inyo ng Asco Forte simula ng ubo maghagod menthol na. At ng Wanda, just add water and mix.
Kamusta namin ang Traffic Diva dyan? Aisel, kamusta ka dyan?
Eto na, nagba-backstroke na ako mga dabarkads.
Imagine na lang, isipin mo na lang.
Umaagos na ba? Umaagos na ba? Ang alin? Pawis. Ang pawis. Maya-maya to, maya-maya. O ito, malalaman natin yan with our song number 1. Naagos ng papremyo ngayong tanghali. Here we go. Go bass. Yeah! I was a boogie singer. Playing in a rock and roll band. I never had no problems. Burning in a one-night stand. And everything around me, girl, got to stop the feeling so low. And I decided quickly, man, to just go out and check out the show. And they were everybody down and singing and moving to the groove. And just when it hit me, somebody turned around and shouted the funky music, white boy. Hey, play the funky music, white. Play the funky music, white boy. Play the boogie and play the funky music till you die. Till you die. Oh, hi, till you die. Play the funky music. Here we go. Play the funky music. Got to keep on playing the funky music. Eto na. 3 segundo. Ayan na. Awa. Uno. And stop, Manong. And hanap. Manong, ingat. Bawal gumo dahil ikay mananalo. Ito na. 1, 2, 3. Play the funky music, white boy. Play the funky music, right. Play the funky music, white boy. Play the boogie and play the funky music till you die. Yes, naging ballad. Okay, ano yung title? Play that funky music. Yeah, play that funky music. At dahil sa kuya, nanalo ka lang. Isa. Dalawa. And 5,000 piso. At syempre, Asco at Wanda. Congratulations, kuya. O pala ito, teka muna. O sige, 1,000. Yan, hati-hati na kayo dyan. Okay, ang galing ni kuya, no? Ganun siya ka-talented. You made the funky music, naging ballad. Alright, let's go to our song number 2. Eto na. Para to sa ating mga lola. This song goes out to our lolas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The bass said they want some gin and juice, but they really don't wanna. Big boys like I had last week. I'm on stage because talking is cheap. I love Angela, Pamela, Sandra, and Rita. And as I continue, you know they're getting sweeter. So what do I really make you, my lord? To me, flirting is just like a sport. Anything fine, it's all good. Let me jump it, set it, the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life. Let's go. A little bit of Erica by my side. little bit of you. Alright, kuya, anong lengguwahe nung inawit mo? Ay, okay, anong title? Ano?
Ano, Little Baby?
Ano, ma'am?
Mambo 5.
Number.
Mambo 5, number 5.
Ayan! Natali mo, kuya, dahil sa ano mo. 1, 2, 3 pesos. At sa'yo, kuya, 1, 2, 3 pesos. At nanalo ka ba ng Wanda and Asco Forte? Congratulations! Hindi ko maintindihan ang bagong lengguwahe ni kuya. But dyan po nagtatapos sa isa na naman Traffic Diva. Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga nanalo. Dito lang po kuya kung saan sa biyahe ng buhay hindi po natin maiiwasan ang matraffic, pero nandito po tayo para magbigay ng kasiyahan para naman ma-happy kayo makakarating sa iyong maroroonan. Ito po yung Traffic Diva. Jesus Sent.
Thank you, congratulations, congrats, at thank you sa ating Traffic Diva.
Araw-araw may mag-uwi na pa premyo dito sa Traffic Diva.
At susunod na ang Just Do It sa pagbabalik ng Eat
Bulaga!
Little bit. Hey, a little bit of Erica by my side. A little bit of Tina is what I need. A little bit of Frida is what I say. A little bit of Sandra in the sun. A little bit of Mary on that
First and grandest acting awards in noontime television.